whatever you want. You can just keep doing circles if you want. Okay, which way do you want to go?
That way.
Which way?
That way.
Okay, so push it away. Hard, push it away. Okay, now pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. Push it away just a little. Just a little. Pull it towards you just a little. Push it away just a little. Remember, you got to keep watching where you're going. Pull it towards you just a little. Especially going full speed like this. You got to keep looking where you're going. Push it away just a little. Good job. Jossie, who's the captain?
David!
Pull it towards you. Push it away. Remember, just little movements. Now you got to push it hard. Now pull it towards you real slow. Real slow. Towards you. A little more. Push it away.
Wow.
Pull it towards you.
Wow, this is the animal down.
If you want it, you're the captain. Do whatever you want. Okay, then push it away from you. Now, pull it towards you real hard. Now push it away like halfway. There you go. Good job. Pull it towards you. Okay, push it away. Pull it towards you. Remember, it's just little movements. Who's the captain? Push it away just a little. Just a little. Oh, we're going fast. You having fun, Bailey? Okay, but we got boats over here. Pull towards you just a little. Perfect. Push it away just a little. Good. This is called tracking. And now that you're going pretty much the direction you want to go, you just make little movement. So push away just a little. Good. Now pull it towards you just a little. More. Good. Stop. Perfect. Now push it away just a little. Perfect.